Welcome to the season finale. We're doing something fresh, something new. We're gonna make Naw Mai Gai. There's sticky rice that you pre-soak for 2 hours and then you steam for 20 minutes. There's Chinese sausage that you cut into little half-inch chunks. There's dried shiitake mushrooms that we re-soaked and then cut into other bite-sized chunks. And then chau that we also cut into small chunks. Some baby dried shrimps, lotus leaves, chicken, and hard-boiled eggs. And then also dark soy sauce and oyster sauce. We're gonna pre-cook anything that's raw, but only a little bit. Oh, look, I flipped it. I flipped it. Ah! I've never done that before. Here's our pre-cooked meat. So we have to put half a tablespoon of dark soy sauce and 1 full tablespoon of oyster sauce. And then that's like the sauce. Mom says we're gonna eyeball it.
Okay.
Oh, okay. These are big dried lotus leaves and we have to soak them and then cut them up so that we can make the Naw Mai Gai. So after you soak them, they are this size and then we cut them into like thirds. So like, or quarters? Thirds. We cut them into head-sized pieces. We're supposed to layer 2 on top of each other, like back to back. So then you put 1 layer of rice, layer of filling, layer of filling, layer of rice, and then you fold it all up, and then you don't tie it, right?
No.
Okay, so palm-sized bit of rice.
Flatten it out.
In the middle. Some filling, some of the meat, some mushrooms, some chau, 2 shrimps. Hard-boiled egg, just 1/4 of it. And then you put some more rice on top. Then you fold it.
Well, take both leaves.
Oh.
Bring that up first. No. Just one.
Oh,
and then the sides. Tight.
Oh! Just put it in the steamer until
we'll just put
you're ready
line
for
them
them
up in the steamer.
I didn't explain what Naw Mai Gai is. It's basically like sticky rice with meats and an egg and more sticky rice in a leaf, and you get it during dim sum. But we've never made it before, so this is exciting for us. Now that they're done, you just steam them for 20 minutes. That's a big bite. This is good.
You sure you didn't bite it as a warming up and say you made it?
Pish posh.
It's my plate.
What?
You have yours over there.
Did you let Mom try it? Oh, sick.
Okay.
Want to say anything to your fans?
My fans?
Yeah, season finale.
Season finale.
They won't see you for so long, you know?
I'll see you next year in Chau's restaurant. Chau restaurant?
Chau.
Oops.
Oh! That's it. Happy Asian American Pacific Islander Heritage Month.
And thanks for coming to Chow Down.